Hi, all. Welcome to our channel. Any particular website promotions and any kind of promoting business leads, everything purpose, we are to focusing about SEO classifieds. First, I'm explained by one or two websites. So many classifieds are there that we can go to this my website. There all will be classified list will available by the my blog option. Or else you can search for here location by search for the number of classifieds. First of all, in this classified, first your login will be must and should important. Once login, post your ad. When you add your posting time, they're adding for number of categories. So education, learning, everything, hobbies, language course, professional course, etc., etc., etc. will be here. So we can log in here. We can go to this and the professional course option. First, professional course. What the first option is called uploading image. Click for upload image. So that option we can go with the option will be here. Give me 1 second. So first of all, selecting your image is compulsory important. Any kind of classifieds, first of all, any kind of classifieds, that first of all, image design is important. First of all, you can what are the design your images, the post image compulsory important from the your particular option. Based on the training wise, what are the image you design, that image design will be compulsory important option. So suppose here is the thing, upload image. Okay. Select your main name, interior design, fashion, banking, journalism, photography. So number of trainings are there. So with your option will be here. Physical, sound, or anything. So not. I click for other. Locality. Locality will be, I can selecting for Pragati Nagar. So here I'm selecting for digital marketing training in Pragati Nagar. So after this one, what are the content on your particular website you will be posted based on the location wise? What are the content you're posting will be here. But all content you can share from the your particular website. Copy and paste it. After this one, your mobile number and everything we can add by here. After this, adding for your capture code. And click for post option. What is your business number? Same number we can use from the particular thing. So this number we can add by, and this your post your classified. The classified will be review for exactly how much time will be taken, 24 hours before the review the particular things. Here any kind of premium ads like we can show this website will be top ad purpose, use this option. So that is only for we go for which option name is called free ad, we can go to this option. So any ad will be inactive stage, pending stage, anything will be, the show will be like this option. So here is the particular things, we can use this options. Active ads. So these all options will be active ads. May first to the until will be what is the options are. We can all will be checked from the particular things. Any kind of notification you can find from the here. So these all will be uploading ads on your particular website. Same like so many websites are there. You can search the website which is working. We can upload the content will be here. Same like that, like Hyderabad.com. Post your ad. So we can go with training. best digital marketing training, and digital marketing training category education, educational. I'm not giving any price. Phone number required. Add your phone number. Next, add your website URL. View our site. Now you can providing for email address. Next, we will be providing for particular documentation. There is visual and text, both will be there. You can add your particular things. Summary, browse image, and it will country India, address Hyderabad, accept terms and condition, submit, new listing. So this all will be complete for the classified option. Here is the particular things. So here is the image is the major problem. Why? Because it's a free site. So here I am not logging your particular account. So how we can edit this option? Once this done, they receive some mail from your particular mail option. So that is we can use from the particular things. So based on the search, what are the category you will be posting? The search will be particular category wise. So you can search will be real estate, vehicle, job, service, electronical, everything will be there. You click for education. So they will open for the particular category. So what is the options are here? We can go with in a particular option. So in this, select your particular option. We can add the particular content. We can share by the particular description wise. See this one, which is a category, which is the every option. We can use the particular thing. The final destination is called. They will travel to your website only. When you click here, they go to where travel your particular website. So if you are creating for any kind of options, like they fill up the form, they receive the your mail ID. Which mail ID we can give? The mail ID will receive the particular form. The classify mainly we can keyword to optimize your website will be top position purpose. So that is the purpose we have to use this in a particular option. So in this, any kind of problems or anything, we can change from the option will be here. So that is will be, you can go to this a particular option. So that all will be here. Anything will be doing in your options. We can replay from the in a particular. Here is the option will be here. So we can go to spam. Any email will be received. We can check from this here option. So parallelly, we can do this particular options. Everything will be in a particular things. Once you posted here, everything you can read by the a particular things. They will be your structure will be create. Everything will be created by the particular option. Any ad creation time, the compulsory important will be post ad will be here. So how will be contact? Everything will be here, the particular information. So who are creating these websites? Why they are providing for free class for nothing but they are generating their traffic only by creating for ads. For example, if you are posting this article, the purpose of you can see this one. There into number of ads will be posting for here is the option. So that will be we can see this particular category. Any ad will be focusing here. First of all, that option name is called. You will be post ad will be based on the categories. Education. So any kind of category, you will be posting the content. That is a first of all important is called. In your updating for your particular portal will be here. So these all will be particular categories. Is it clear? So this is the method. We have to follow the conditions on your particular classifier will be creation purpose. So any further queries on your particular video optimization, anything, there is a separate one. Is only for content related. We can post in these ads. We can show by the in your particular classifier. This classifier will be shown by the Google search when searching the particular keyword time also. So be careful to upload the content in your particular websites. Search on Google and open your particular website and click the links and upload the content. Same like so many websites are there. Userkr.com. They all will be registered, publish your ad for free. So the related will be mobile, tablet, bike selling, car, rent car, education, anything will be, we can use this particular option. Always remember, relevant category is most important to getting for more customers. So that is the, you have to prefer and post ad into the any particular classified websites. So focus this kind of websites and follow the ads and publish the content different website option. If any have question, please ask me to my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget, anything will be promoting classified nothing but to optimize keyword ranking on Google position and getting for more leads and referral traffic for your particular website purpose. So if you have any question about classified, feel free to ask the channel and comment me into the my channel option. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.